What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Pew back with another how-to and review. Today I'm doing the Blink outdoor camera security system. It's a true wireless, no strings, battery operated, easy to set up. I'm going to show you how to set it up, what the quality is like, and is it worth the buy or not, coming up right now. So we're not going to spend a lot of time on this. I did want to look at the requirements real quick for y'all because I was looking at it, and I just wanted to show y'all that way, just in case you didn't know if you could or could not use it. So high-speed internet. You want to have, I have the gigabyte plan from Amazon, but that's because I use a lot of things on wireless around here, from doorbells to Alexas to TVs to Fire Stick. You name it, I use it. So I went ahead and got the biggest thing the biggest plan you can get through a Comcast. So wireless 2.4, you have that if you have a wireless router, because you have 2.4 and 5.0. In this case, real quick, if you didn't know, 2.4 is better for security systems because the 2.4 reaches further. So if you have a camera further away from the router, it should reach it still and you'll be fine. The 5.0 is stronger but in a shorter range, so that's all you need to know. 2.4 reaches further, a little bit weaker but reaches further, and the 5.0 is stronger but doesn't reach as far. And battery life and all that up to 2 years, which is funny because it says it's 2-year battery, but it's up to 2 years. So we'll see if that actually is a 2-year battery. Hopefully it is. I'm not gonna waste no more time. Let's get right into what's in the box. So this is very important. We're going to be using this here real soon. And just so you're getting started, we're going to download the Blink Home Monitor app, add your sync modem 2, which is this, and then add your camera system to it. And then it's going to show you like a step-by-step through the app. We're going to have that all on my cell phone. I'm recording the entire time so y'all can see exactly what it shows me and what we need to do. So first thing here is the camera itself. We got three of these bad boys. You can hook up a USB mini right here. I'm guessing that's for power if you didn't want to use the battery, but we do want to use the battery. To use the battery, this comes undone, and from my understanding, I haven't really went through this yet, guys. I'm gonna try here. It comes with a tool, so you can just kind of put it in there and turn it, like so. I got big hands here. The whole back comes undone, and this is where you put your batteries at. Now, first thing you want to do when you open this is go ahead and take all these off. I'm not going to do that, I'm just telling y'all, and put these to the side because you're actually going to need this QR code right here. You're going to be scanning these to connect it through your app and to this, the Sync Model 2. So go ahead and just take all these off and have these set to the side. We'll do that here in a minute. This is like your hub. This is where your storage goes. This is where the cameras connect to. And this is the Sync Model 2. If you know, if you got the Model 2 or the Model 1, it's simple. If you see a USB slot, you have the Model 2, which is what we want because we're not going to pay the subscription. We're going to hook a flash drive up to this and record straight to the flash drive. It's really cool actually because you can record to the flash drive and you can still look on your phone to see what's on it. You can see it live if it records an event. You can see all that. So with that, you got that. These are your mountain brackets. These are pretty easy, just 2 screws, and the camera will actually take the little piece off and you just push it on. I don't know what they were talking about, but a little bit of force. I'm using a lot of force. First complaint, things are hard to put on there, but it's probably for the best. I can see where the lips are on here. Let's see if I can. You see where the lip is? Kind of. It's a little bit of a lip there, and then there. So I'm not gonna force it on right now just because I might not be able to get it off very easily, and I don't wanna have that issue before I mount them. You have 2-year batteries. This is the Ultimate Lithium Energizer battery. You have a USB cable, hook up to the camera, to the wall, to your Sync Model 2 to the wall. So you just hook it up, little brick it comes with, power brick it comes with. And I think that's it, guys. Super simple. Oh yeah, it does come with your screws. All right, guys, so we're going to hop into what we're doing on our phone. So you'll see it kind of back and forth. I might even post it to the side. I'll figure it out in post-production, post-editing. So first thing you want to do is go to the Blink Home. So start typing in Blink Home, and for Android, so Blink Home Monitor for Android. You see it right there. I'm gonna install that real quick. I might need to lose some weight, huh? I think there might. You think Google Play is trying to tell me something? Lose weight app for women. Well, I could probably lose weight from it anyways. All right, once it's done installing, we're gonna open it up like so. And we are going to create an account. I'm not gonna see y'all let me create an account because I don't want you to have my password and stuff. So we'll be right back after a brief message from my following. I don't have nobody, so just wait a second. I will take y'all through some of it. Just whatever your region is, click on it. All right, so I put my email address in, and then I came to my create a password. I have my password right here, as you can see. We're not gonna show it to you. And we're just going to put it in. Okay, so it sent me a verification code, so we're gonna go get that right now. And then I'll come back to y'all and put that in. All right, after you put that in, you'll put your cell phone number in, which is, they're gonna send you a code, which I'm gonna put in now. And once you do that, you're gonna be logged in. Have you have an Amazon account? Now we can blank it. We're gonna link the accounts. Boom, linked accounts. Now we can move on from there. All right, so this is the part where we're gonna add devices. We're gonna add all of our camera, our sync device and everything. So I'm gonna take a minute, set that up, and I'll come back. No point in letting y'all see all that. So the only thing I am gonna show y'all, at this point, you wanna make sure you have all your batteries in your cameras. So camera, battery, take all the backs off like we talked about a minute ago, and go ahead and put all your batteries in. That way you're ready to go there. Once you get the batteries in and stuff, you're gonna see it blinking red. That's perfectly normal because that means it's ready to be synced to the Sync Model 2. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start adding everything. Since I have the Blink wireless camera system with the model and everything, we're gonna hit the top one. And it says you can enter the serial number, or if you have the QR code like I do, we're gonna do that. But before I do that, I need to hook up my model so it's got power. All right, once you have it on, you'll see a light right here blinking, or for Wi-Fi. I'm going to scan the QR code right there, create a new system, name your system. We're gonna name it the Pew Household. Next. It says plug the device in and wait to be ready. When ready, the light will display blinking blue, steady green. So I got a blinking blue and a steady green. If the lights are not ready after 30 seconds, press and release the reset button. So now we want to discover device. Please enable Wi-Fi to continue. After you hit accept for to be connected to the model, the sync model, then you'll have to connect it to your Wi-Fi. It'll tell you which are in range. Updating firmware. I got a steady blue and a steady green light on the model now itself. As you can see here, it's saying updating sync model firmware. Do not unplug sync model. Okay. All right, sync model is connected successfully. So we're done with that. So we have one synced. I don't know if that's all of them or. Okay, sync module is online, but we need to add the cameras now. So wireless cameras. So you're just gonna take it. That's why it's important just to leave those off. Get a good screenshot. This tells you where not to position your camera or what to avoid. You can take a second to read that while it's looking for the camera. It's updating firmware. I had to do this two more times. Don't worry, I'm not gonna show y'all. Showing y'all one, and we're gonna move on to the next step. The device comes with a free trial of Cloud. Enjoy it for the next 30 days. So that's cool. We're gonna check out the Cloud. We're gonna see how it works and everything. And then we're going to move to the free one. Because I'm not gonna pay for a storage where I can just do it myself. Yeah, I guess it could be more beneficial. There are reasons to do it and reasons not to do it. The reason I'm not gonna do it is because each camera is $3. That means I'll be paying $9 a month, and I don't want to pay that every month. Is it more secure? Like, won't lose stuff and stuff? More than likely, but honestly, unless you have just your flash drive corrupt, you should be good. Lose power, I guess, would be another thing, but if you lose power, your camera's not working anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So let's move on to the next step. We're gonna add the other cameras and we'll be back. Oh, grant microphone permission, we'll do that. So this is just kind of going through and showing you what you can do and stuff. So you can click on this to see recorded clips. Oh, would you look at that? Well, hi. So we'll just do a little test right here. Show y'all the quality of the camera. Show you my beautiful face. And you get to hear the audio. About 2-second delay. All right guys, so we're outside now and I'm gonna show y'all real quickly how to mount a camera. It's super easy. So for what you need for this is, it's gonna make it easy if you have one of these. So drill with a Phillips head on the end of it. You're gonna need your mount itself. Now this is the mount that goes to the wall. So you can see there's 2 holes in the back of it. I'm gonna flip it around to the front of it. So it's gonna look like, and you're just gonna mount it to the wall with those 2 holes using these 2 screws. So super simple. We're gonna hit it real quick, and I'm gonna do it real quick on here so y'all can see how simple it really is. Simple as that. Now, sorry for this popping back and forth. Now for the camera itself. Now, this has some plastic on it. Make sure y'all take the plastic off the front of it. Pop it on. All right guys, so I was gonna show y'all how to use the app and everything, man, but this video is getting super long. I mean, into the 40-minute range. I'm just not gonna do that this video. I showed y'all an unboxing of it. I showed you how to set it up in the app. She even showed you how to mount it. I'm gonna show you some B-roll footage of the quality right here, right now. And I'm gonna get into some of the cons and pros and wrap this thing up. If you want to see me go through the app itself and show you all the features, show you how it works, and show you how to set up certain things, little tricks and things here and there, comment below, like this video. That'll tell me you wanna see the next installment of this video. So let's talk about some of the cons first. The cons on this thing are the battery life is not 2 years. I don't care what they say, it's not 2 years. Because every time I had a setting to make my settings better in the app itself, I got a notification saying the battery life is going to be affected by it. So these are not 2-year batteries. If they're 1-year batteries, I'm not mad. You know what I mean? So whatever. Another negative is I thought that this was a 24-hour recording security system. Now that's partially my fault for being ignorant and not knowing, but this is a motion detection security system, which means it records when it detects motion. If it doesn't detect motion, it doesn't record. It's not a, you know, I'm not gonna buy it or not gonna use it. It's just, I was let down. So if you're buying something like this, make sure if you see motion detection, that means it is only for motion detection. It does nothing else. Other Con is it's got good quality. Don't get me wrong, like if you're, you know, within a certain feet, it's got good quality, but once you get further away, it gets pixely from what I could tell. And so it's good quality, but it's not at long distances. So the good, you know, the short to medium, you're great. Once you get past that medium point, you know, 20, 25 feet, whatever, it's gonna start getting a little pixely, in my opinion. So that was a little bit of a downplay. But, you know, if you have these, you know, close enough to the doors, and that's really what you're trying to watch is your doors and kind of your windows on the side of the house and stuff, I think you'll be fine. You get a good quality. I mean, you've seen the quality of me, unfortunately, dancing just a second ago. So you know how the quality is. The pros on this thing is the easiness of the installation on it. I feel like it was super easy, super friendly. The quality, like I said, is pretty good in my opinion at the short and medium, so I'll count it as a pro. A particular model with the module too, you can get a USB flash drive to plug into the module, and you don't have to have a subscription, and quite literally you can do everything you can do on the cloud. The only difference is you have to clear the storage on that USB when it fills up. So I have like for example, I have 128 gigabyte USB. Once it fills up, I will have to plug it into the computer and delete everything, and then just plug it back in and I'm good to go. So it's a little bit of a hassle, but for me not having to pay $120 a year plus, I'm good. I like the two-way audio on this thing as well. You have, that way if someone comes to your front door, front porch or something like that, or someone just kind of trespassing in your backyard and say you don't really want a confrontation, but you want to maybe try to scare them, just coming through that could possibly be a deterrent. They are weather resistant, and other than that, really that's about it, guys. With all that being said, my overview of this thing is, I believe it's for the price, it is a pretty good system. I haven't had no issues with anything yet. If I do, I'll pin a comment letting you know, hey, this system sucks, or I can just post another video and letting you know it sucks, because you know me, if it sucks, it sucks. Thanks for watching the video. If you haven't subbed, do me a favor, sub. If you got some kind of quality out of this video, hit the like button. Those two things are free. It doesn't cost you a penny. It costs you a finger workout. And I'm giving you 2 workouts. Come on, 1, 2, that's all I need. Just work that finger out for me. Come on, let's get it. And check out one of my other videos I'll post here. I'll probably post something here, and I'll do all kind of crazy stuff. And as always, guys, I love y'all. Be safe. Until next time, peace.